Hi there, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, or whatever it is you're celebrating. I'm sure there are many other celebrations this time of year. I wanted to just take you on a quick mini tour of the Snowman factory. We still have some beautiful things. New shipment just came in and we're still making things in the workshop. So come and visit us. It's, I'm told, therapy. Trucks are still popular. We've got a couple here with mice and teddy bears driving them. If you need a little tree, you don't want to be bothered with a big tree, we have two size trees that could be either tabletop or by your mantle on the floor. They're pre-lit. Treetops, battery trees, trains, what can I say? Lots of trains. If you're looking for centerpieces, we have a beautiful log that's lit, would be pretty in the middle of your table. Little buckets full of greenery and pine cones, smaller logs, so you could do two down the table. This is a lit wreath. You could either hang it or put it on the center of your table with a candle inside. Fairies. If you have a skater in your family, the little skater ornaments are fun. We have flocked trees that are lit. They're magical all winter long. Teddy bears, lots of teddy bears dressed. This is a fun little bucket full of pine cones and greenery, enough that will warm up any household. Lots of ribbon, tree skirts, garlands, and this is a bicycle that we did. It's fun, it's got a tree in it. After Christmas you can take the tree out and make it into spring and Easter, fall, the options go on. This is a really fun piece. It's a log tree that we've decorated with pine cones, and it's got lights on it. It's a great piece for the wall. Elves, Merry Christmas signs. Have to wait for the camera to catch up. Trees, this is a really fun tree. You can mix it with the flocked tree and it's just magical on a winter's night. This is a beautiful birch basket made from birch right on our property actually. Mailboxes so that your lover can send you a note, maybe with a diamond in it. This guy's really fun, another elf. There's an elf here and a tree, another log tree. So here you have a few ideas. We have lots of teddy bears on sleighs. Lanterns. This is our ski lift with our snowman in it. So I hope I've brought you some joy and that you'll come and visit us. But if you see something on this that catches your eye, give us a call. We're happy to embellish, make it bigger, and send a picture to you. So Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, God bless, stay safe. We love you all.